So I was looking online for a dumbass sew your own patch on your own gi tutorial, and I couldn't find a good one. So I'm going to go through how I'm going to sew this patch onto this gi. I've got this lovely Origin Rift gi made in America by American hands, and I'm going to put my dirty immigrant hands on it and sew this patch on using the IBJJF guidelines so that it's legal and I get this in the right place. So this is the thing off the website, your little guides. I'm going to go for this back patch. Cat. This lovely back patch. Brazilians, my club. And see how it goes. Using, and then I just got these at Target, some like cheap, crappy thread, needles. I've never sewn anything before, but I've done some field surgery, so see how it goes. Secure this guy down in the position I want with these pins, and I'm going to stay pretty high up so that it's well and clear of my belt, and then I can also, you know, there's room for more patches later if you want. But this is a cool gi, but the thing with this Origin one is there's a lot of stuff going on in the back, so at least, you know, I'll just sew across these and it'll be fine. Okay, so I got my pins in. Now I need a black thread because I'm going to go along this black border. And I cut this already, so I want it, you know, twice as long as what I'm going to be doing about. And then you get your needle and you thread it. And, you know, you should be able to thread this by hand. It's not that hard, but they have this like threader. See, it's not that hard, but like, they have these little threader guys. If I guess you're elderly and you like sewing, you can't see, you can like put your string through that and thread it, but come on. So to knot the needle, you know, I've got my thread equal distance at the end of this, so my needle's in the middle. Take this guy, the butt of the needle with my one hand, bring my tail up to here, then join that tail there. So now I'm pinching the tail of this one and the butt of my needle. Wrap this end around 4 times. 4. Now I want to pull this down and I want to get this, all this thread here together so that I'm pinching that loop as well as the butt of my thing and my thumb. So pull it down so it's sitting on my thumb, and now keeping my fingers together so my fingers just will pinch. I pull the needle up, pull that loop down onto the thread and through it, keep pulling, and now I got a neat little knot at my end. Okay. And now I got a fatter knot. Okay, there we go again. And then go through my gi. And yeah, the like stitch in this gi is very fine, which is nice because it's light, but it's like a lot of room. So hopefully this doesn't pull through. Great, and that's holding. So yeah, now I'm holding my gi and my patch together. But then, you know, and I just want to go like a little bit for my last one, because I guess I want this pretty tightly sewed so that because you know, your gi gets tugged on a lot, so you want it to be like nice and anchored. Then Keep going through my patch again. And I'm just going to keep doing this all the way down the line. I'm not going to video that because that's boring, but you know, now I'm started. Just like that. Just keep pulling it every time. On the back side, we just have our little train track of stitches. So then, just to finish this off, so I've gone through, I'm gonna cut this guy off here. And then just knot it. So, let's put a little hand tie on and make a couple of those knots. You know, make it big so it doesn't pull through. And then, once I'm happy, I'll cut those tails and have those little ends, and it's on the inside anyway, so it's hidden. And then we're good. And I just gotta do the other three sides, and then I guess I'll take a picture of it when it's done and, you know, prove that it actually worked. And I'll just cut those little tails. And now, nice and snug.
Jacob Lethal Beats.